burglar suspect. He's going in and out of houses.
Okay, where at?
It's at 115 Andretti.
Is that where he currently is, inside?
Get out of here.
Is that the house he's currently inside, sir?
Yeah, he's got like a gun.
A gun?
I'm the officer. I need help out here.
Okay, I need you to tell me what's going on. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. I need help.
I know you do. I need to know what's going on. What's going on?
He just shot at me. 113.
Okay, sir. Can you still see him?
Yeah, I can.
Can you tell me what he
He's going
looks
inside
like?
the house. He's a male white.
Quick, white male wearing, do you know what colors?
Got like a muscle shirt.
Okay, like a, what color tank top?
It's gray.
Do you know what kind of firearm it is?
It's a pistol. He shot at me.
Are you
I
okay?
fired back at him. What's that? I'm fine, but he shot at me.
Shots fired, shots fired. Where's he at?
Over the house.
Which house?
Where the Challenger is.
Hey, cover me. I'm gonna run to that white truck. Cover me.
Got you.
Where's he at?
Where is he at?
On the corner up there.
Where the brown, where the gray truck is.
We gotta get ready to keep it.
He's using the garage for
I see where he was.
Right by that garage door.
Both hands now!
Hands down where we can see him!
Confirm we have units to the south of this house. Sarge, I've lost visual of him. He's throwing furniture around at the front of the house. Sir, put both hands out and walk toward us. Show me your hands. Okay, put both hands out. We will not shoot at you if you put both hands out. Drop the gun. I won't shoot if you put both hands out! Sir, put both hands out, please!
Both of your hands in the air. Let us see both of your hands. Walk to the front yard with no weapon, with both of your hands in the air. Do it now.
Show me your hands now! Hands! Does he still have the gun? Hands up! Show me your hands, dude!
That can probably directly communicate with her.
Ryan, I got you with me.
Yep.
Do you see him?
Yeah, I got, he keeps peeking his head.
Yeah.
And I got one hand.
Show me your hands! No! Put both hands out without a gun, dude! I am a cop! Yes! But show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! All right, show me your hands!
What kind of gun did he have? Do you know?
Handgun.
Okay.
Show me your hands, dude!
1021 that residence, that's where suspect was initially when he fired it off shooting and return fire.
Nowhere in front of him.
There's two at the dead end, 11300.
Staff 6, Tim.
Can you see him at all? Okay.
It's his residence, so we'll get all the information you need.
I'm moving across to the next house.
Be advised, we have 3 officers, just one house west of 11300. We have 3 officers, just one house west of 11300 with eyes on the suspect.
If you're asking if he's fled, he is 1097 with me here at the command post.
Show me your hands, man! Other one!
He's passing the gun off.
Yeah, he is. Drop the gun!
Control 1 for information. Bearcat is 1097.
No, I'm not!
Coordinating with
Yes, drop the gun!
Echo 910.
Echo 910.
Drop the gun! Oh, shit! I'm hit. I'm okay. I'm okay.
May have shots fired.
You alright? Yeah, fine.
Self in 93 or 1011.
What else I got there? 1362, but I'm not gonna die.
Commander, Dilly.
Suspect is down! Suspect is down! Suspect is down!